Welcome. So I'm going to show you the easiest way you can make money online today in 2022 and beyond. So guys, there are ways that you can make money online, and this one is the easiest way that you can use to make money online. So the question is, do you still believe that you can make money online by doing nothing? Absolutely, you can do that. But just like as I started my own journey trying to make money online, finding things for myself, I came across all these things I'm going to list for you now, and then they are going to help you also to make money online, even at the comfort of your home. Guys, let's jump into the number one of it, and it's proofreading. The number one is proofreading, and this is you trying to proofread what people have done, trying to analyze people's work, and trying to give them corrections of what they have done. Proofreading, you can do it at anywhere in time. You can do it at the comfort of your home, and you can do it at your own convenience. Guys, you can do it at your own convenience. It does not matter what you are doing at a particular time. You don't need to quit your job to do this proofreading. And you can see the places that you can see the work to do is, you can see it on Fiverr, you can see in Upwork, you can see in people per hour. All those freelancing websites, you can see them there. These three websites are the top ones: the Fiverr, the Upwork, and the people per hour. You can see these particular proofreading jobs. There are thousands of companies that are looking for people that will proofread their work for them. Guys, stick with this video, because the fifth one that I'm going to show with you, you are going to love it. Trust me, you are going to love that fifth one, and it is going to make you cool amount of money. So the second one is translation. So a lot of companies are looking for people that will transcribe words into different languages for them. And let me tell you, you are not going to do most of this translation by yourself. There is what we call Google Translator. Google Translator can help you to do this work, this translation work for you. So you don't need to stress yourself trying to translate the word by yourself. So this particular one, you can do it using Google Translator. Just copy the word, put it on Google Translate it, then you take it back to the person that needs it. The person will pay you your money. You can make approximately up to $5 per translated word. Per 1,000 word that you translate, you can make up to $5. So the companies that accept or that look for people that do this, or the company that you can go now and register, is Django, onehourtranslator.com, and Honorable Textmaster. These are the companies that require people to come there and do this particular work, and they pay you. Absolutely, they pay. These companies has been proven, and we have gone through them, and we have done work with them. So they are companies that can pay. I don't know the particular time you are watching this video, but within the time that I'm recording this video, these companies, they pay. So disclaimer, these are not going to make you rich overnight. This is not going to make you rich overnight. Just know that these are the ones that you can use to make up money, that you can use to invest in courses and make money for yourself as you grow in the online market. So the third one I'm here to say is app testing. There are a lot of companies that are going to pay you in order for you to test app. This is an amazing part of this make money online process. You can make money just by testing app. Most of you have up to 10, 20, 40 apps on your phone, but someone is going to pay you just to test app for them. So this is a very nice one, and it does not take you quitting your job, finding other things in order for you to get this one done. This one can be done even at your convenience, at the comfort of your own, and it is done worldwide. It's done anywhere in the world. I don't want to know whether you're Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria. Every country can do this. So if you want this now, the site that you can go and register is User Analytics, User Testing, Tester Work, and the Testing Time. These are the companies that accept people to come to their site and do this type of works. So guys, if you really need to make money online, I am sure that you use these particular systems, these places that I'm calling for you now, to go and try it for yourself, and you start making money for yourself. Guy, the next one is book review. I don't know whether you know that you can review books and get paid because of that books that you review. A lot of people are making thousands of dollars reviewing books. You can go to something like people per hour, freelancing websites like Fiverr, people per hour, Upwork, and you just search there. You see someone, only one person, doing 1,000 works, and the person is collecting minimum of $5, $20. Then times $5 times 1,000, you know how much it will give you. So these people are collecting thousands of money per month just doing this particular work. And this is what you can do even at the comfort of your home. Just by doing what? By reviewing people's book. People want to just publish their book. They look for someone that will review it before they can post it or before they can publish it. That is the job that you can do even as a complete beginner. Just by doing nothing, just by testing, by reviewing books. So the last but not the least that I told you that you love it is micro working jobs. This micro working job goes in a way that is very, very good in the sense that you can do it even at your own scheduled time. So micro working jobs are jobs that you can do, like following someone on Instagram, liking people's posts, commenting on some Instagram, then maybe something like Facebook posts, and even on YouTube, following someone or subscribing on somebody's YouTube channel. That are the jobs that you can do and get paid for. Guys, if you are liking this video, ensure that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify other people, let them know about these awesome videos and get access to this. Let's make money together. I love it when we are building our community together. Let everybody win. Let everybody make this money. It's meant for all of us. So the companies that can allow you to do these jobs or to register with them and start up this job are companies like micro working jobs like Amazon Mechanic Talk. This one is Amazon Mechanic Talks and Clickworkers, UHRS, and Remote Tax. These are the companies that can allow you to do these amazing works and get paid. There are other thousands of companies that you can do this, but these ones are the particular ones that I've listed because that are the ones that I've gone through and I've made research to find out what they do and how they do about them. So guys, if you have anyone that you have gone through and you see them to be good, try to leave the comment at the comment section. Let's know the one that you are currently doing or the one that you are about doing. Let's make this money together, and like and share and subscribe so that you get awesome videos, because I'm going to post the next one, the best way you can make money from all these ones that are listed, and the next one that you're going to know about making money online. You will love it. So guys, if you want to know more about making money online, check the video, this video on the screen now, so that to teach you the next guide on how you're going to make money online. Till I see you again, know that this is Junior loves you. Bye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what